We're here at the Delta Hotel here in Indy. Yeah, well, this is near the airport. Really? Just read all over. Let's try that again. Okay, I'll go in this one. Yes, we're going up. Here's the cab here. It's pretty nice. But take a look at this. Murphy elevator. The big logo. 7.
Seventh floor.
Hey, you need a decent grip check? Yeah. Those are fast elevators.
First floor.
Weird. Like a door. There's a weird door. Here's the cab here. Pretty nice cab. Murphy.
7th floor.
Skip get over there. And here's the other side of the cab. This is off a snap cab. Softly replace something. Hold down there. When it's this car. Chef equipment. Lanterns. Pretty nice cab. Logo.
First floor.
we go. I like the Murphy logo. That's weird. Probably because we're near the airport. Renovation buttons. Neat logo. First time I actually seen the Murphy logo.
First floor.
Middle one's at 3. So yeah, I'm gonna end the video here. So anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me. Let's just pretend that didn't happen. But we got the middle car. So let's go to 7.
Seventh floor. First floor.
Pick up to 7, we go. Doors closing. Nice shot of Murphy logo. That's a pretty good logo actually. Nice cab.
Seventh floor.
But yeah, you were 7. Yes, this is a classic Starbucks coffee. Murphy logo. These things fly for the height of the building. It's only 7
First
floors.
floor.
We're gonna go ahead and end the video here. There goes the elevator. And those are the elevators here. One car parks at 3. The other one actually parks at 1. So, yeah. Anyway, I guess that is going to be it for me.